In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove someone from share list on TikTok. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to remove someone from share list, unfortunately, there is no direct option for it. But you can simply do these tricks in order to remove them. First of all, what you have to do is simply tap on the share icon that you'll be able to see on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to see various accounts that you can share this particular TikTok to. So what you have to do is first of all send the TikTok to that particular person. Tap on the person to whom you want to send this TikTok. After you do that, tap on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this TikTok will be sent to that person. Now simply go to your inbox. Tap on the inbox icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here you'll be able to see that particular chat. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find three dots. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see their profile. Also, you'll be able to find other options over here. What you have to do is simply block this person. If you block this person, their account will no longer appear in the share list. So simply tap on this option block. Now you'll be able to see the confirmation message over here. Tap on this option block. Now once you block this person, their profile will not appear in the share list. But if you do not want to block them, what you can do is simply unfollow them. For that, you can simply tap on this option view profile. Now if you have followed them, you'll be able to see the message icon over here. If you want to unfollow them, tap on this icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here this particular profile will be unfollowed. After you do that too, they might be removed from the share list on TikTok. If this does not work for you, the next thing that you can do is simply try deleting the chat. For that, go back. Now in the chat interface, what you have to do is long press on the chat that you want to delete. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option delete that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of confirmation message will pop up. Tap on this option delete. Now you can see over here that particular chat has been deleted. Now after that too, this person might be removed from the share list. If this does not work for you, many users have claimed that if you uninstall the TikTok and reinstall it again, the people from your share list will be removed. So you can also try doing that. So that is how you remove someone from share list on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.